If you're seeing the Err SSL Protocol Error in Google Chrome on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Chrome working properly again and load secure websites without those annoying connection errors. This is a common issue, and the good news is that in many cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows and browser fix videos just like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is restarting Google Chrome. Close every Chrome window completely, not just the one you're using. Make sure the browser is fully shut down. Then open Chrome again and try visiting the website one more time. Sometimes temporary browser glitches are all it takes to trigger an SSL error, and a fresh restart can clear that right up. Next, check the website URL very carefully. Make sure the address is typed correctly and confirm that the site is using HTTPS. Even a small typing mistake can lead to an SSL protocol error, especially if the browser is trying to connect to the wrong page or an insecure version of the site. If the link came from somewhere else, try copying and pasting it again or typing it manually to make sure it's exact. Now let's move on to one of the most common causes, which is incorrect date and time settings. Right-click the clock on the taskbar in Windows 11 and select Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically if it isn't already enabled. Then click Sync Now to make sure your device is matching the correct time from Windows servers. This is important because SSL certificates rely on accurate system time, and even a small mismatch can cause secure websites to fail to load properly. If Chrome is still showing the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with secure connections, so clearing it often helps Chrome reconnect to websites without SSL problems. After that, we should clear the SSL State in Windows. Press Windows and S on your keyboard, search for Internet Options, and open it. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Content tab, then click Clear SSL State. This removes stored SSL certificate information that may have become outdated or damaged. Once that's done, close the window and test the website again in Chrome. If the issue is still not fixed, there's one more setting worth changing in Chrome itself, and that is disabling QUIC protocol. In the Chrome address bar, type chrome://flags and press Enter. In the search box, type QUIC. Look for experimental QUIC protocol and change it from default or enabled to disabled. Then click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting. QUIC can sometimes interfere with secure website connections, and turning it off has helped many users resolve SSL protocol errors. After going through these steps, Chrome should have a much better chance of loading websites correctly on Windows 11. In most cases, the issue is caused by either a time mismatch, corrupted browser data, or a browser feature interfering with the connection. So if one method doesn't work, move on to the next, because the fix is often just one step away. If this video helped you fix the Err SSL Protocol Error in Chrome, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tutorials, browser fixes, and easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.